Digigraphx Embroidery is now reached 25 years, and it was registered in the state of Michigan in 1999 with basically me, my wife, my daughter, and my son, and that's how we started. And 25 years of business, we think that's magnificent. The family stayed together, worked together, and continued to provide fantastic service and quality. We're not afraid to work late, and we're not afraid to work on the weekend. That's the dedication that they have in this family business, which is why I think we're here today. We started in a bedroom. Then she outgrew the bedroom, and we went to the basement. That was a major move. Then we eventually outgrew the basement, and we found a building in Warren, and it was about 3,000 square feet. From the 3,000 square foot building, we had to move to even larger, starting to go down the path of what we were ultimately trying to achieve, and that's one-stop shop. And this one-stop shop started to really develop, because now what we saw was embroidery, screen print, and I would absolutely take the opportunity to take them over and show them our sign and wrap division. So it's been a process, but it's worked very, very well for us. Well, that's exciting to see a new client walk in the door, and typically it's by referral. The first thing we would ask for is, do you have a DST file on your current logo? We'll be able to show you on a piece of fabric how nice this will turn out. And the client, he may want an edit, no charge, or he may be super pleased and now he wants to move forward. Then, of course, they're already looking around with the apparel, and they'll give us an idea what they want. Once that order is secured, the shirts have been selected, the digitize has been approved, we're already talking about, do you need promotional products for your new startup business? Turnaround is typically 10 days for an order. That order could be 50 pieces, 100 pieces, maybe 200 pieces. And we make that determination when the client lays out the program for us. And if the customer says, I don't want to start small, I want to be a presence. I want to create branding. I want to create an image on my shirt, on my truck, on my business cards. The only way I can create this brand, and the one-stop shop really helps, because now all your color tones will match. And that's how we'll handle a new client through that process. This facility is pretty attractive. People come in to this facility at 9,600 square feet, and the first thing they say is, wow, this is a nice facility. And then before long, they're saying full of nice people. I love seeing the clients who are just overwhelmed with appreciation and thank me. They say, you train these kids very well. Maybe in the beginning there was some truth to that, but they rolled up their sleeve and they learned a lot on their own. And their dedication to hard work, I find rather remarkable, to be honest with you. That's why I'm proud. I'm proud of the building, I'm proud of the image, and I am certainly proud of what my kids have brought to the table. We're very excited about where we are today. We continue to grow, and that's very encouraging. I see no reason my kids will be able to continue to grow and have this in the future. I just can't tell you how much I appreciate the dedicated work ethic that the kids have put into this business growth, and the customers and the loyalty is unbelievable. The loyalty that I see these same faces coming in, that is a home run in my book. Not only the clients, but the vendors. I've built tremendous relationship with the vendors. I'm grateful for all of the people that have made this work. And thank you from my heart for 25 years of support. It's been magnificent.